I want to protect myself from the harm of others. Well, Allah tells you, get up in the morning, pray. Once you're done with your prayer, or before or after, around about that time, sit for a moment. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes, depending on what exactly you want to ask me. And I want you to go through certain verses of the Quran for your own benefit. Protect yourself. So what you do, read Ayatul Kursi thrice. What's Ayatul Kursi? It's a verse of the Quran that is very powerful in Surah Al-Baqarah. It has in it not just the praise of Allah, but how great He is, and the protection of Allah is mentioned in that verse. If you repeat it thrice, Allah says you will be protected right up to the evening. Protected from what? Harm, jealousy, evil spells, the evil eye, and so on. Add to that the last 2 surahs of the Quran, and if you can, the last 3. So I'm going to read Qul huwallahu ahad, Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq, Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. The last 3 surahs. If I don't know them, they're very easy to memorize. I tell you what's a hack to memorize things. Do you want to hear the hack? My brother, if you listen to something with the same reciter's voice repeatedly over and over again, 1,000 times, you memorize it off by heart. That's a hack. That's a hack. To listen